Come put together this fun Crafty Little You porch ladder with me. This is a DIY kit that comes unfinished with this raw MDF. You will want to paint it before you put it together, but for this video, we're going to put it together unpainted. Here we have a small, medium, and a large rung for the ladder. Each one of them will come with engraved triangles on them. Make sure that your triangles are all facing upward before you get started. Triangle pieces, and you'll want to make sure they all face upward. One side will have square pieces engraved on there, and you'll want to make sure that those are all on the right side. Start with putting the middle rung on. This is the very hardest piece. Put the rung in the middle, then the upright pieces, and then your brace piece. I would highly recommend using wood glue to put your whole kit together. Wood glue will help it if your ladder tips over, it will not break as easily. So I would highly recommend putting wood glue in between the rung pieces and also the upright. As you're putting this together, put the bolts through and just lightly tighten the nuts onto there at first, and then when you get done, you can use a wrench to really tighten those down. On the back of your ladder will have 2 eye hooks. You'll want to put the eye hooks on the back. This is where you'll hang the string that hangs your kit on the front of there. One last tip for this project is I would recommend using outdoor paint for it. You can touch it up every season. It will hold up for a long time. Happy crafting!